Hello, my name is Joey Missinelli, and I'm here to talk to you today about HPE's Right Mix. So what's the difference between good and great? What happens when good is no longer good enough and great becomes the new standard? Great is where the baseline is drawn because the world is changing. Levels of competition increase, the bar is raised, and make no mistake that the IT environment that you are running into will be in crucial change. It will require more speed, more power, and efficiency. In other words, your IT environment baseline needs to be raised. And with that, HP recognized the change in the world and has strategically put together a systematic approach to making a great yet simple plan for the next level IT environment. These are based on 3 core beliefs, one of which is the world is hybrid. Now, what do I mean when I say the world is hybrid? Workloads and applications will run on a variety of different places. So all the data, everything that's coming through, will be run through traditional context, private cloud, even public cloud. And how that work is moved and migrated and why it's moving is critical to decision points for big time CEOs, IT administrators, superintendents, IT directors, things of that sort. The next belief would be considered the intelligent edge. Now, according to Gartner, which is a traditional, or we did a study with Gartner, 20 billion sensors will be deployed worldwide within the next year. 20 billion sensors that are generating data that will need to be accessed, moved, secured, and analyzed. Now, with all this data moving around, how do you obtain it? How do you get to the level of controlling it? Well, with that, it's going to be crucial, critical services that will be required. New consumption services, as new customers are bringing in new styles of IT to their environment, advising services, and how they'll get you to start off to a level that meets your needs, where you know the difference between underperforming and overkill. And of course, world-class support. In between all of this, making sure that everything is running as it should. You don't wake up with any regrettable decisions. Now, HP's vision is this. It intends to be the leading provider of everything hybrid IT, which means software-defined everything, ramping up speeds, powering this intelligent edge, and delivering world-class services on a customer's journey to hybrid IT. Now, what is the reasoning behind all this? Because the industry shifts, things change, worlds grow, everything's different now. Whereas that is, hybrid IT shifts workloads to moving cloud deployments. It's the emergence of software-defined architecture, and it's the explosion of data and storage that all this ties into hybrid IT. It's all becoming one real thing. The intelligent edge. Now, this is the explosion of devices. This is all the mobility that seems to be moving around, and it's the explosion of these devices and these applications, and it's the ability to connect and collect all this data. With that, services. Services are going to be more crucial than ever. With all these new sensors being introduced and all this requirement of services needing to be there, customers' increase of demanding solutions to their problems on their day-to-day will be even in higher demand. Next to that, the customers are going to need help in even more growth into new consumption. So where does HPE tie into all of this? They've built in a new strategy for you, the customer, just for you, because you're the one that's important, by making hybrid IT simple and purest form. Optimize a traditional data center, software-defined infrastructure, and private cloud capability to help a customer set up and run a hybrid environment in a software-defined context. Nothing short of multi-cloud partnerships with an entire hybrid IT ecosystem. Now, what does that mean? Let's connect the campuses. We'll drive the wireless solutions for you guys. And from the industrial Internet of Things, it's all about connecting things and deriving value from connecting those things through services, through expert services. It begins with defining what needs to happen, why, when, and how. And with that information, we can drive deployments, drive more services to you, only which HPE can deliver. How is it all done though? We can talk all we want, but where does it all stem from? HPE has mustered up an incredible idea to put together organic investments based on research and development, which is a synergy platform through hyperconverged, Edgeline, Aruba Mobile First. They've got strategic partnerships put up together between Microsoft Azure, Mesosphere, GE Digital, Chef, target acquisitions. These are crucial companies like Aruba that are all part of the strategy that power the theory of moving into a simple hybrid IT environment. And of course, finally, portfolio optimization, moving away from companies that don't believe into that don't buy into the beliefs and vision that HB has to make a simple hybrid environment, and moving towards them to those who do. So with all this information, HB is basing their core beliefs on one major idea. Behind all the services that will be provided, all the research that's been obtained, and all the strategies to help take all of your data centers to the next level, there is one common interest: keeping it very simple. Thank you.
Thank you.